Hi, today we are going to talk about what is fiber optics. Fiber optics refers to the technology and method of transmitting data as light pulses along a glass or plastic strand or fiber. Fiber optic cables are used for long distance and high performance data networking. They are capable of transmitting data over longer distance and higher bandwidths than electrical cables, making them a critical component in modern technology, internet, and computer networking. Now, let's see what are the main elements of fiber optics. There are three main elements of fiber optics. One is core, cladding, and buffer coating. Now, what is core? It's a central tube of very thin size made up of optical transparent dielectric medium and carries the light transmitter to receiver, and the core diameter may vary from about 5 to 10 mm or 5 to 100 mm. Next is cladding. It is an outer optical material surrounding the core having a reflective index lower than the core, and cladding helps to keep the light within the core throughout the phenomena of total internal reflection. And last is buffer coating. It is a plastic coating and protects the fiber made up of silicon wrap. Now, what are the types of fiber optics? There are different types of fiber optics based on several categories as mentioned. Based on number of modes, like you have single mode, multi-mode, based on a refractive index, step index optical fiber, graded index optical fiber, then based on material use, plastic optical fiber or glass fibers. The important is how fiber optic works. Fiber optics has the work of transmission of light particles or photons. Fiber optics transmit data as light through thin sheets of glass or plastic. Each fiber consists of a core where the light travels through it and a surrounding cladding that reflects the light back to the core part. Data is converted into light using a laser or LED, and this light pulses travel through core, bouncing off the cladding to stay contained in it. At the receiving end, a photodetector converts the light back into electrical signal. This technology allows for fast, high capacity data transmission with minimum signal loss, immunity to electromagnetic interference, and therefore the security is enhanced. Fiber optics are generally used for high speed internet, telecommunication, medical devices, and many more industrial applications. Then we'll see what are the uses of fiber optics. Fiber optics are widely used in military activities. They are also used in medical purposes like for precise illumination. Fiber optics can be used in computer broadcasting and networking. It is also used in internet. They are also used in television cable. They can also be used in underwater environments as they don't require to be replaced frequently. Now, what are the advantages of fiber optics? Fiber optics supports bandwidth with higher capacities. Electromagnetic interference is very little with fiber optics. It has stronger and lighter than copper cables. Very little maintenance required. What can be the disadvantage of fiber optics? Fiber optics are more costlier than copper wire. Huge manual work is required to install new cables. Some optical fibers like glass fiber require more protection. They are also fragile, means they can be easily broken or signal can be lost easily. This covers up the topic of fiber optics. Thank you.